path, that is the reflect your path speech from level 5 of the motivational strategies path. But before I introduce the speaker, I would like to call his individual evaluator, Toastmaster Abhishek, who will go ahead and tell us about his speech objectives. Over to you, Toastmaster Abhishek.
Thank you, Toastmaster Dori. For my target speaker, the purpose of his project is for the member to reflect on his path, reflect on his or her growth during the completion of the entire path. Thank you. Over to you.
Thank you so much, Toastmaster Abhishek. Please give him a big round of applause. So, as a practice in Toastmasters, whenever somebody finishes a level or a path, we give him a standing ovation in our meeting rooms. But today, since we are in an online meeting and we are all on camera, I would still request if anyone, once the speech is over, okay, and he hands it back to me, if you can stand up at wherever you are, and if you give a standing ovation, that would be good. But at least please unmute yourself and give an ovation to the speaker after he has finished giving his speech, because he's going to finish a path. And on that note, let me introduce the speaker of the day, Area Director of Area C3, one of the persons who's been really helping me hard to start the club here in Solapur, along with this amazing team that I have. Wonderful person, still single. On Valentine's Day, he's here for Solapur, which talks about his love for Toastmasters. Please give a big round of applause for the speaker of the day, Toastmaster Charudat. Toastmaster Charudat, day by day, Toastmaster Charudat, over to you.
Thank you so much, Toastmaster of the day, Toastmaster Joylan. Audio check, video check, perfect. Do you know, C.S. Lewis said, isn't it funny? Day by day, nothing changes. But when we look back, everything is changed. Everything is different. I relate with this saying every single time in every aspect of my life. And as Joylan said, Toastmaster is the love of my life. It is very relatable there as well. I was a good speaker back in my college days as well. But for some time being, I lost connect with the stage, and again, stage fear has conquered me, and Toastmaster helped me with that. It has made me a better communicator and leader as it promises. That is very obvious, but overall, it made me a better planner, better executor, better thinker, and a better person. My project asked me to reflect on my path, and it takes me back to 2017 or 18 when Pathways was announced. And being a curious academic geek since childhood, my first thought was, why this organization who has conducting the same traditional program for these many years is changing their education program? Valid question, right? I was very curious. And when Pathways enrolled country-wise, I started to connect with the people, Toastmaster members who are giving or who has already started their speeches, blogs, podcast, internet mediums, social platforms, everywhere I connected. And I'm enlightened to tell you, it is epitome of my journey that I got to connect with that time Pathways ambassador Frank Story as well. And then I had a lot of questions with him, why the program has been changing and everything, every curious doubt. And he happily replied to all my questions over the email. And then I decided, okay, this is a great opportunity for me, because all those who belong to traditional path, they know that to attend CC recognition, you have to give 10 speeches, and which is very time taking for most of us. But Pathways has made it easier for us a little small accomplishment, Toastmaster also know it takes over the moon to their members. And indeed, that's true. So I started my pathway journey. I delivered my icebreaker. I was the very first member of TCS Maitri Bangalore Toastmaster Club to start pathway journey, and it was a year of 2018. All those members overseas helped me a lot. They guided me whenever I had doubt. I connected with the Frank, as I mentioned, and that experience helped me. But even though we have all the motivation from our friends, family, colleagues, peers, it is us who is holding us. We don't attend meeting very frequently. We take some time from meeting and then take some more time to come back, right? And that happened with me as well. And when I said it made me a better planner, the very first thing I did is I took out the printout of all my pathways projects, put it on my cupboard, and every time I'm getting ready for the office, every time I'm going to sleep, every time, no matter what, I'm opening my cupboard, I can see that list there, and it reminds me, okay, my next project is this, I want to appear for this. Or if not, level 4, level 5 projects intrigued me. Okay, what is in this? I need to study, I have to check. That excitement keep helping me to appear for the projects which lie ahead. So the very first thing I want to when I was reflecting on my past was staying active about your goals and reminding yourself about your goal. That is the very first thing we have to do, because there are all the people who are here to help you, but it is you who have to work on your goals. Now, in pathways back then, there were very few resources, but there was one resource who was enough to help me to work on my projects, and that is Pathways Basecamp. Many of us still hesitate, I find, to visit Basecamp, which where all the resources lies, all the tutorials are there. We just read the project objective and deliver our speeches, and that's, though there is nothing wrong in that, but that is not absolutely right as well. There is one big hole in that. And what I did is I promised myself that I won't deliver my project until and unless I read all the manual, all the tutorials, what Toastmaster is trying to say that to me, and then I'll prepare and then I'll deliver. That helped me a lot. So this is my second point. Uh, just in 1 minute, I can't see the timer cards. Timer, can you please share the screen again? Okay, perfect. Thank you. So as I was saying, all the resources were helpful for me. With help of those resources, additionally, now there were some projects where I wanted to explore them more. Suppose, do you know, we all say we want to be a better communicator, but there are different types of communication. We all want to be a better leader, but there are different types of leadership. And one of my projects has also enlightened me on emotional intelligence, which was the area new to me, and I read a lot about it. In this way, Toastmaster has introduced me to the different part where I should study and I should become. Now, my pathway journey, as Joylan mentioned, it was about motivational strategies. And Toastmaster give all of us a chance to become a mentor as well. This has been my childhood dream, to be a life coach or a motivational speaker. And I got that opportunity in Toastmaster when I got few members as my mentee, and when I also got mentored by someone senior from my club. So there were all the resources that I need, and the only thing which was needed was my commitment to my learning, and I indeed delivered that. I made a plan, I executed it very well, and I fulfilled my commitment. That's why I am very thankful to the Toastmasters when I said it made me a better executor as well. Now moving forward, I started my level 3 of my pathways, and there I was introduced with all the nuances of public speaking, how to work with voice modulation, how to take pauses, how to use body language, and everything. I learned all those skills there one by one. And one day my mentee asked me, Charudat, how do you see pathways, and why do you always tell us to work it at one step at a time? And then it came to my attention that pathways is a competency building. You take up one competency. I want to work on my voice modulation. You see all the videos related to it, you read a material about it, and then you deliver. You go on stage, you get the feedback, and in your future projects as well, you implement it. That's how your competencies are built. This is one of the best thing I found, because in my last 5 levels delivering speeches, I at least built 20 competencies. Now I know how to research on one topic, how to present it, how to deliver it, how to mentor someone, how emotional intelligence is helpful, and everything. It is nothing but a competency building program indeed. Now, it took me a lot of time from 2018 to 2021 today to complete my path. I had some time away because there was no club in my organization back then for that location. And it's very natural, or maybe most of us need a break in our regular routine as well. And that's very obvious. But my suggestion to all of you is, as I mentioned, learning takes commitment. Work on it, work towards it, work for it. Now, when I was delivering my Pathways project, I'm going to talk a little bit about leadership as well now. Taking up roles in leadership helped me to become better communicator and work on my Pathways project as well. Along with delivering Pathways, I was working as a president, vice president education, and currently as an area director in Toastmaster District 98. Now, these leadership roles are actual implementations when we say that we want to become a better communicator. Whatever you are learning, even if I am learning, okay, how to use a body language, I read all this, I delivered a speech, but when I am having interpersonal communication, that is also coming in the picture, right? How I am talking to you, that is also there. So simultaneously, taking up leadership role has helped me in my motivational strategies pathways, because as a leader, as a VP education, I wanted to ask all of us to take up roles, come forward. As a president, I wanted to tell my 7 club officers that yes, we can do this. We just need to plan it and execute it in a better manner. And whatever trouble you are facing, together as a team, we can overcome it. And that was one of the learning. So the one key point here I want to mention is Toastmaster program has various wheels and they all are running simultaneously. It is not just you are coming and taking up meeting roles that will help you. That will help you, but not only that. Taking up XCOM roles, taking up district roles, and taking up all the opportunities that made available for you will definitely help you. And again, as C.S. Lewis said, day by day, nothing changes, but when you look back, everything is changed, because small change over a time help us all grow and become a better version of ourselves. What do you think, Toastmaster of the day? Over to you.